Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account from the Instapaper application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon down below and now scroll down till you find this delete account section written in red. Now all you have to do is typing in the word delete in order to confirm your will to delete your account, so tap on it. And now the process is done. As you can see, you have the chance to create a new account or sign in if you have any other accounts. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.